Namaste, I'm Akruti Agarwal Iyer and I'm going to be your trainer and coach for these courses. I'm going to handhold you and take you through the various concepts of money and wealth creation. And don't worry, I will try to make it as much fun as possible. Well, my journey with money started off very early in life as a teen, where I had to start taking care of my family's finances. In fact, because I was left with no choice, I had to learn about money, and life encouraged me to learn, unlearn, and eventually get a hold of my finances. In this process of seeking, I completed my chartered accountancy and also worked as a consultant with a Big Four. Eventually, yes, I started doing personal finance. From my personal experience, I can tell you that don't wait for life to throw a curveball at you. Get started right now. In the past 2 years, I embarked on the journey of personal finance with Harsh and Wealth Cafe to make people aware about their money and take control over it. Experiencing it firsthand, I can tell you that it is not how much money you make, but how much you keep and how well you take care of the money, which will make you wealthy in every aspect of your life. And through this course, we exactly endeavor to do that, to help you grow your money. Like every relation, reciprocity is the key. So if you don't take care of your money will not take care of you. You have to put the constant effort. Your effort and learning will not stop with this course, but that is where it will get started, because you will start applying everything you learn in this course with your money, and you will see that how your seeds of knowledge will grow into trees of wealth. If you are thinking, why me? Well, there's a reason why finance is personal, right? If you don't take care of your money, no one will do it for you. In fact, if you find someone to transfer the responsibility to, you may always want to know what's happening with your money. Then might as well learn to manage it and grow it yourself, right? I will see you on the other side of these sessions where we will teach you to learn and manage your money. Thank you.